I'm Matt Meyer. I'm a lead technician at Knapheide, Chicago. I've done everything from trailer maintenance, modification, fabrication, truck building, and I'm a lead mechanic now. We have good training for the technicians. Typically, to train someone, I will build a truck with them once or twice, and then they'll be on their own with assistance, and I'll check on them periodically. And then as we move into more difficult builds with somebody, we'll train them up on those. I love my team. They work so well together. They're all different age groups and different walks of life, but there's never a time that one of them won't help somebody else solve a problem or with something that they're an expert in. The best thing about Knapheide is the family. Yeah, the family culture. Everybody works together.